Hi, we are going to start a new course. So previously we have CRM and ERP course on our YouTube channel. So this time also we are going to build it from scratch, complete website development, and we will deploy it to real domain. And we will use the latest laravel 12 with livewire starter kit, and this project will be around travel related, so basically cab booking, hotels, flights, packages, and all these things. I'm just going through multiple websites to have a look what forms, fields they have, so accordingly I will design this database structure and other features, what features we can have. And if you are trying to learn something, or you want some features to be added in this particular course or project, you can comment down, I will add that too. And if you are a business or something into this tours or travels, you can also comment down, or we can connect and we will have your requirement, and we can build this particular website for you. So that will be a good, so you will get your website and our subscriber will get this learning from this real world project. So likewise, and if you are other business too, you can also comment down for your project or website, so in future we will create website for that too. And in future if you need app or something, you can comment that too. So if you are looking to learn website development, app development, all these things, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.